Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Right, this is going to cover chapter 2.6 in the Nahmad and Haywood book. They introduce a couple of 5 pronouns. So remember, a pronoun might sound like a complicated word if you're not used to English grammar. Simply means a small word which stands in place of a bigger word, i.e. a noun. That's called a pronoun. So the pronouns they're introduced are ana, I, anta, you for a male, and anti, you for a female. So just note the equivalent pronoun in English is you, and there's no differentiation between male and female in English. Huwa for he, and hiya for she. And these are called personal pronouns. And the word for pronoun in Arabic is ad-dhamir, which literally means conscience. So it's literally talking about yourself without referring to yourself by name. Just an important point to remember, that the hamza in ana, anta and anti is a hamzatul qata'. And remember, this is different to the hamzatul wasl, which we met in al of alif lam, the definite article. That was a hamzatul wasl, and this is a hamzatul qata'. Right, so that's that. Okay, some important points which they don't mention in the Nahmad and Haywood book, which are worthwhile reiterating. All the dama'ir, plural, or damir, pronouns, are definite. Okay, so remember I showed you in the very first thing, every pronoun, every damir is considered a noun in Arabic. And like all nouns, they will have properties. And one of the properties we're dealing with so far in this chapter is the property of definiteness. Is the word definite or indefinite? Ma'rifa or nakira? And every noun, without exception, is definite in Arabic. Ma'rifa, every pronoun. The second point to note is sometimes the pronouns huwa and hiya are used for it, because there is no it in Arabic, or a neutral gender pronoun. So, for example, a kitab, a book in Arabic, is a he. Huwa kitabun. We would translate that as huwa is a definite word, it, and kitabun is an indefinite word, a book. And remember, whenever we cross from definite to indefinite, that's where the hidden word is lives, in the no man's land between D plus and D minus, definite and indefinite words. So we translate it reading from right to left. Huwa, it, literally it means he. It is a book. Same thing applies to words which are feminine, such as sayyara, hiya, sayyara. Hiya is a pronoun, therefore it's definite. Sayyaratun doesn't have alif lam, ends in a tanween, therefore it's indefinite. A car. So, she, a car. But we're crossing from definite to indefinite in the no man's land, so we put an is there. She is a car, but we don't say she in English, we say it. It is a car. So that was a very brief thing. They just introduced pronouns. It's very important to memorize these pronouns. And one very good way that's been taught in the Understand Quran thing is to point in front of you. If you're dealing with anta and anti, and ana, point to yourself, and huwa and hiya, point to your right, and for hiya, point to your left. Have a look at the Understand Quran lectures, and you get the idea of how to memorize these things using a pointing system. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.